Bill Nye's latest findings from Voyager 1 reveal something that's honestly keeping NASA scientists awake at night. Here's a mind-bending fact for you. Light from our sun takes over 22 hours to reach Voyager 1's current position. That's just how far this tiny probe has traveled into the unknown. But what it's discovering out there isn't the peaceful emptiness we expected. Instead, Voyager 1 is detecting massive energy storms that shouldn't even exist, plasma waves that could totally obliterate future spacecraft, and magnetic chaos that, well, completely defies our understanding of physics. The question isn't really what's out there anymore. It's whether we're actually prepared for what's waiting in the darkness. The epic journey of Voyager 1. What if I told you that right now as you're watching this video there's a tiny spacecraft hurtling through the darkness of space at 38,000 miles per hour, carrying humanity's message to the stars? Voyager 1 isn't just any ordinary space probe, it's our species' greatest ambassador to the cosmos, and it's been on an incredible journey that started when your parents were probably jamming to disco music back in 1977. This remarkable piece of human engineering has traveled an absolutely mind-boggling 14 billion miles from Earth, making it the most distant human-made object in existence. Think about that for a second. 14 billion miles. That's so far that if you could drive there in a car going highway speeds, it would take you over 17 million years to reach it. What began as a simple mission to snap some photos of Jupiter and Saturn has evolved into something far more extraordinary. Voyager 1 has become our first interstellar explorer, crossing the boundary of our solar system in 2012 and venturing into the mysterious realm between the stars. Every single day, this incredible machine continues to beam back data from the edge of known space, revealing secrets about the universe that we never even knew existed. The fact that this 45-year-old spacecraft is still functioning perfectly in the harshest environment imaginable is nothing short of miraculous, and what it's discovering out there is about to blow your mind completely. The terrifying discovery that changed everything. Scientists are calling it the most unsettling space discovery in decades, and when Bill Nye uses the word terrifying to describe something from space, you know it's serious. After 45 years of silent travel through the cosmos, Voyager 1 has stumbled upon something in the depths of interstellar space that's making even the most seasoned astronomers lose sleep at night. This isn't your typical wow, look at this cool space rock kind of discovery. We're talking about findings that are fundamentally challenging everything we thought we understood about the universe beyond our solar system. The data streaming back from this ancient spacecraft is revealing that interstellar space isn't the peaceful, empty void we always assumed it would be. Instead, Voyager 1 has encountered phenomena so unexpected and potentially dangerous that it's forcing scientists to completely rewrite the textbooks on space exploration. What's particularly chilling is that these discoveries suggest the space between stars might be actively hostile to any form of life or technology that dares to venture into it. The implications are staggering because if these findings hold true, they could mean that humanity's dreams of reaching other star systems might be far more dangerous and complicated than we ever imagined. Bill Nye's concern isn't just academic curiosity, it's a genuine warning about what awaits us in the vast darkness between worlds, and why these revelations from our most distant explorer should make us both amazed and deeply concerned about our cosmic future. Mysterious magnetic field anomalies. Something is seriously wrong with the magnetic fields in deep space, and what Voyager 1 is detecting out there should terrify anyone who dreams of interstellar travel. The spacecraft has encountered magnetic field fluctuations so bizarre and unpredictable that they're completely defying every theoretical model we've built over decades of space research. We're not talking about minor variations here, these are dramatic, violent shifts in magnetic field strength and direction that are happening in patterns that make absolutely no sense according to our current understanding of physics. The magnetic environment that Voyager 1 is navigating through is like a cosmic storm that never ends, with field lines twisting and writhing in ways that suggest interstellar space is far more chaotic and turbulent than we ever dared to consider. What makes this discovery particularly alarming is that these magnetic anomalies could have devastating effects on any future spacecraft attempting to make the journey between stars. Magnetic fields control everything from cosmic radiation flow to the behavior of charged particles. And if we can't predict or understand these field patterns, we can't protect our technology or potential human crews from their effects. The implications are staggering because these findings suggest that the space between stars isn't just empty darkness, it's an active, dynamic environment filled with invisible forces that could tear apart any unprepared vessel. Voyager 1's instruments are essentially screaming back to Earth that interstellar space is nothing like the calm, predictable void we thought we'd find out there. The cosmic ray radiation surge. Your smartphone would be fried within seconds, and a human body would be cooked from the inside out. That's, the reality of what Voyager 1 is experiencing right now in the radiation-soaked nightmare of interstellar space. The spacecraft has detected a terrifying surge in cosmic ray radiation that's bombarding it at levels so intense they're completely rewriting our understanding of what lies beyond our solar system's protective bubble. These aren't just ordinary space particles we're talking about. These are high-energy cosmic bullets traveling at nearly the speed of light, packing enough punch to destroy DNA, fry electronic circuits, and turn any unprotected material into radioactive waste. What's absolutely chilling is that the radiation levels Voyager 1 is measuring are exponentially higher than anything our most pessimistic models predicted, creating a cosmic shooting gallery that would be instantly lethal to any living creature foolish enough to venture into it. The implications for future space exploration are downright terrifying because our current shielding technologies would be about as effective as tissue paper against this interstellar radiation storm. Every second that Voyager 1 spends in this hostile environment, it's being pelted by millions of these cosmic projectiles, and the fact that it's still functioning is nothing short of miraculous. This discovery means that the space between stars isn't just empty and cold. It's actively trying to destroy anything that dares to enter it, turning humanity's dreams of interstellar travel into a potential suicide mission that we're nowhere near prepared to attempt. Implications for future space exploration. Every science fiction movie about interstellar travel just became a horror story, and Voyager 1's discoveries are essentially telling us that our dreams of reaching other stars might be nothing more than elaborate plans for cosmic suicide missions. The combination of unpredictable magnetic field chaos and lethal radiation bombardment that our lone spacecraft is encountering out there paints an absolutely terrifying picture for any future human attempts to leave our solar system. Current spacecraft shielding technology, which we thought was pretty impressive, would be completely useless against the interstellar environment that Voyager 1 is revealing. It would be like trying to stop a machine gun with a paper umbrella. The magnetic field anomalies alone could send any navigation system into complete chaos, while the cosmic ray radiation would slowly cook any crew members from the inside out, turning what should be humanity's greatest adventure into a prolonged death sentence. Even our most advanced robotic missions would face catastrophic challenges in this hostile environment, with electronic systems failing left and right under the relentless assault of high-energy particles. What's particularly disturbing is that these discoveries are forcing engineers and scientists to completely rethink every aspect of interstellar mission design, from propulsion systems to life support to communication arrays. The space between stars isn't just vast and empty, it's actively trying to destroy anything that enters it, which means that reaching another star system might require technological breakthroughs we haven't even begun to develop yet, making interstellar exploration far more dangerous and complex than our wildest nightmares ever suggested. Voyager 1's aging but resilient instruments. How is a 45-year-old piece of technology that's older than the internet still sending back data that's revolutionizing our understanding of the universe? Voyager 1's instruments are performing what can only be described as the most incredible feat of engineering endurance in human history, continuing to function flawlessly in an environment so hostile that it would instantly destroy any modern smartphone or computer. These sensors were designed in the 1970s using technology that's practically ancient by today's standards. We're talking about equipment that has less computing power than a basic calculator, yet it's still detecting and measuring phenomena that our most advanced, Earth-based instruments could never hope to encounter. The spacecraft is operating in conditions that would make Antarctica look like a tropical paradise, enduring temperatures hundreds of degrees below zero, while being constantly bombarded by cosmic radiation that would fry any unprotected electronics in seconds. What makes this even more remarkable is that every piece of data Voyager 1 sends back to Earth takes over 22 hours to reach us, traveling across billions of miles of empty space at the speed of light. The fact that these decades-old instruments are not only surviving but thriving in the harshest environment imaginable is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless drive to explore the unknown. Every signal we receive from this ancient explorer represents a triumph of engineering that's allowing us to peer into cosmic mysteries we never even knew existed, proving that sometimes the old ways of doing things are exactly what we need to unlock the universe's deepest secrets. Redefining our understanding of interstellar space. Everything we thought we knew about the space between stars was completely wrong, and Voyager 1's shocking discoveries are forcing scientists to throw decades of research straight into the trash can. Instead of finding the peaceful, empty cosmic highway that textbooks have been describing for generations, our intrepid spacecraft has stumbled into what can only be described as a turbulent ocean of chaos and violence that's rewriting the fundamental laws of astrophysics. The interstellar medium isn't the calm, predictable void we expected, it's a dynamic battlefield where invisible forces clash in ways that make absolutely no sense according to our current understanding of how the universe should work. Scientists are literally going back to the drawing board questioning basic assumptions about galactic structure, stellar formation, and the very nature of space itself, because Voyager 1's data is revealing phenomena that shouldn't exist according to our models. This discovery is opening up entirely new fields of research that we didn't even know we needed, forcing astronomers to ask questions they never thought to consider before. The implications are staggering because if we've been this wrong about something as fundamental as interstellar space, what else have we completely misunderstood about our cosmic neighborhood? Every new data packet from Voyager 1 is essentially telling us that the universe is far stranger, more complex and more dangerous than we ever dared to comprehend, turning our confident scientific theories into educated guesses that need complete reconstruction from the ground up. The heliosphere boundary mystery. There's an invisible war happening at the edge of our solar system right now, and Voyager 1 has just sent back battle reports that are making scientists question everything they thought they knew about our cosmic neighborhood's defenses. The boundary between our solar system and interstellar space, known as the heliopause, isn't the simple, clean border we always assumed it would be, but rather a chaotic battleground where our sun's influence clashes violently with the alien forces of deep space. Voyager 1's instruments are detecting bizarre structures and phenomena at this cosmic frontier that suggest our sun's protective bubble extends much further than we ever imagined, while simultaneously revealing that the interstellar medium is actively pushing back against our solar system like an invading army trying to breach our defenses. The heliopause is turning out to be a dynamic, constantly shifting boundary that's more like a cosmic stormfront than the peaceful transition zone scientists expected to find. What's particularly unsettling is that this boundary appears to be fluctuating and changing in real time, with the interstellar medium sometimes advancing deeper into our solar system's territory and other times retreating under the sun's influence. These discoveries are revealing that our solar system isn't just floating peacefully through space. It's engaged in an ongoing cosmic struggle with the hostile environment beyond, and the outcome of this battle could determine whether our protective heliosphere remains strong enough to shield us from the deadly radiation and chaos that Voyager 1 is encountering in the depths of interstellar space. Bill Nye's call for scientific wonder and concern. When one of the most trusted voices in science education starts using words like terrifying to describe space discoveries, you know we're dealing with something that goes far beyond typical scientific curiosity. Bill Nye isn't just throwing around dramatic language for clicks. He's genuinely concerned about what Voyager 1's findings mean for humanity's future among the stars, while simultaneously celebrating the incredible power of human curiosity that made these discoveries possible in the first place. His perspective on these revelations is particularly compelling because he's spent decades making complex scientific concepts accessible to millions of people, and now he's faced with the challenge of explaining discoveries that are both awe-inspiring and deeply unsettling. Nye emphasizes that while these findings about interstellar space's hostile nature are genuinely frightening for anyone dreaming of Star Trek-style space exploration, they also represent the absolute pinnacle of human scientific achievement and our relentless drive to understand the universe around us. He argues that these terrifying discoveries shouldn't discourage us from exploring space, but rather inspire us to ask bigger questions, develop revolutionary technologies, and approach the cosmos with both profound wonder and healthy respect for its incredible complexity and potential dangers. What makes Nye's perspective so valuable is his ability to balance scientific excitement with practical concern, reminding us that every great discovery in human history has initially seemed impossible or frightening, but ultimately led to breakthroughs that expanded our understanding and capabilities in ways we never thought possible. What the future holds for deep space discovery. Right now, billions of miles away in the cosmic darkness, Voyager 1 is racing toward discoveries that could completely change everything we think we know about the universe, and we might only have a few more years to receive these mind-blowing revelations. As this incredible spacecraft continues its lonely journey into the unknown depths of interstellar space, scientists around the world are holding their breath, eagerly awaiting the next batch of data that could revolutionize our understanding of what lies beyond our solar system's protective boundaries. The clock is ticking because Voyager 1's power supply is gradually weakening, and engineers estimate that the spacecraft will only have enough energy to operate some of its most crucial instruments until around 2025, meaning we're potentially in the final countdown to receive humanity's last direct communications from the edge of known space. What makes this race against time even more exciting is that these groundbreaking findings are already influencing how we design future deep space missions, forcing engineers to develop entirely new technologies that can survive in the harsh, radiation-soaked environment that Voyager 1 has revealed. The spacecraft's terrifying discoveries about magnetic field chaos and cosmic ray bombardment are challenging scientists to create revolutionary shielding systems, navigation technologies, and communication arrays that can function in conditions far more hostile than we ever imagined. Every day that Voyager 1 continues to transmit data brings us closer to unlocking cosmic secrets that could reshape our entire approach to space exploration and our understanding of humanity's place in this vast, dangerous, and utterly fascinating universe. And there you have it. Voyager 1's incredible journey continues to reveal the universe's most mind-bending secrets. The cosmos is far stranger and more dangerous than we ever imagined, but that's exactly what makes space exploration so fascinating. If these cosmic discoveries blew your mind as much as they did mine, make sure to hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest space revelations. Don't forget to subscribe to Simply Science for more incredible discoveries that will change how you see the universe. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these Voyager 1 findings shocked you the most. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of science.